Welcome back to the Nightcap, and this morning we'll be making a Kentucky coffee. So any coffee you want, we're going to put a little bourbon cream in there, and that's the way you're going to start your weekend off on a Saturday morning. So we got some coffee in here. Tip of the day is that we're using a K-Cup Buffalo Trace bourbon infused coffee. It goes great with the one other ingredient we're putting in, which is going to be Buffalo Trace bourbon cream. So we'll pour this in. If you're going to pour it yourself, put 2 ounces, that's it. So we'll just do this, just over 1.5 ounces. We'll actually give it a stir with the bottle because it's there and it's easy. You don't want to have a swizzle spoon with you. And that is it. She's Buclark. Cheers.